guys. Here, I got chicken, guys. And I got garlic, this yellow thing. And I got some noodles. I got oil and pepper. This is where I'm gonna put them. Oh yeah, guys, I forgot. We also got some seaweed. It's still soft, right? I guess I'm gonna put this into the pot. Next, we're gonna make the chicken. So guys, I'm now gonna put the chicken. I told you it smells good. Oh yeah, guys, I forgot. I need to stir it around first. Next, we're gonna put a little bit of pepper. When the water's hot, I'll ask my nanny to put the hot water in. I told you guys, it's so hot. Next, it's time to put seaweed. Guys, well, this noodle is missing in these noodles. Those noodles, I'll put it back later. Wait for it to boil, and we will wait, and then we will put our noodles. That's great. Since it's boiling, let's put our noodles here. Here's our noodles. And we need the extras to make some harder noodles. Harder noodles. I can still smell it. I can still feel the chicken. Since the noodles is already soft, I will turn off the stove. That's how you cook it! Yay! Subscribers, I have the link is as the coolest noodles in the world, guys. Okay, let's try some chicken. Yummy chicken! Yummy.